say my name? Oh, yes, this is the B-flat clarinet. I'm surprised you've never seen it before. Yes, it has caused me a lot of pain and tears, but as well as joy. And I'm so glad you picked this instrument because we can do a lot of cool things with it. So, you know why it's called the B-flat clarinet? It's because whenever you play a C, a B-flat comes out. So it's not a concert pitch instrument. Concert pitch instruments are all like based around C. Since this is a B-flat clarinet, it's like B-flat comes out whenever you play C. And that's a long story about that. But in order to hold this instrument, you want to know what makes up the B-flat clarinet. So we have our bell, it's this piece. Then we have our lower joint right here. Then our upper joint, which is where your left hand will sit. Your barrel, mouthpiece, your reed, and then your ligature. And then you'll have a mouthpiece cap whenever you're not playing the instrument. So, your left hand, you're gonna wanna put your thumb here, and then you're gonna wanna have easy access to this spatula right there. And then 1, 2, 3 on the right in the holes. And then for your right hand, your thumb is gonna rest right there. And then you'll put 1, 2, 3 right on those holes. And then your pinky's in charge of all these different spatulas. And then to create the embouchure, which is a fundamental part of a woodwind instrument, such as the clarinet. The embouchure, you want to tighten your lip back against your teeth, kind of like that. And you don't want to have it back too far. You want to keep a nice space. So right below your lip, like that. And then you will be able to set it here. And you want your teeth on the mouthpiece, like that. And then you want to have a nice open sound. You want to shoot the air up too. So you have it run around and shoot that air up. All right. And then once you get a nice sound out of it, to play the note G, you don't have to put any fingers down at all. You just hover them over the keys. And then you play a G or a concert F. All right, and so if you wanted to play a concert B-flat scale, you would play the C major scale on the clarinet. And so to start with C, there's C, and then you go all the way up to C up here. Just like that. All right, well I have a concert to get to, so I better get going. I hope you enjoy playing the clarinet, and I hope that you learned something today. Thank you. Gotta go.
Thank you.